Yo, what's up YouTube? What up friends and fam? Today I just wanted to share a little life hack that I came up with. If you're struggling for money and you need some extra money, residual income, not really residual, there's no such thing as residual when it comes to making money. But as far as getting money that you don't, or making your money work for you, I'm gonna teach you how to make your money work for you right now. Simple hack through eBay and an outlet store. So this is what I do, or this is what I am doing. So what I do is I go to Nike, I pick out a pair of sneakers that are on sale, that are a popular brand online that I know are gonna sell. And at the outlet, say $100 pair of sneakers that's selling at the mall for $100, it'll be at the outlets for $60, $50, $40. So you wanna get something like that margin. So then when you post it on eBay, you post it for whatever you bought it for, 60 bucks. Everybody's gonna be like, oh shit, that's a brand new sneaker that I want, that I'm gonna pay $60 for, right? So start the bidding off at $60. And then from there, the bidding's gonna go up, go up, go up. Hopefully when people start bidding on the item because they know it's a cheaper price on a good sneaker. So then at the end of the bidding process, you're gonna make whatever, you're at least gonna break even, right? From where you started your bid. And then you're gonna make money off that. So say if you even make $10, you fucking made $10. You know what I'm saying? You made an extra $10. So then you take that money that you made and you profited, or that you initially put in, and then you go ahead and buy another pair of sneakers and buy another pair of sneakers and keep doing it until you can buy 2 pairs of sneakers, 3 pairs of sneakers, 4 pairs of sneakers. You see where I'm going? And then the numbers keep going up and up and up and up and up. That's something you can do online on eBay that you can't necessarily do with a normal 9-to-5. I mean, there's certain hacks that you can do with a normal 9-to-5, but I'm kind of leaning off that way because you're always going to be set to a certain number, really. You're going to be set to a certain number, you're going to be set to a certain amount of hours, and it's not really, you're not really working for what you put in, you know what I mean? You're not getting paid what you're worth. Because you can go ahead and take that money, invest in a pair of sneakers, or go to the Walmart, or go somewhere where something's on sale that you know will sell for more on eBay, or another selling platform that doesn't have to be necessarily on eBay, whether it be Etsy or another app. I don't know much about the other apps, but I do sell a lot on Facebook Marketplace. I sell a lot on OfferUp. I sell a lot on eBay, and shit like that, man. You know, when you gotta get it, you gotta get it. You can sell anything on eBay. Right now I have a bike on there, the Bianchi bike that I got in Nantucket. I have on there I posted it for $400. And somebody already bid it on it today, man. I'm in a pretty fucking good mood about it. And you watch, when you put something on eBay and somebody bids on your shit, it gets me in the best mood ever, man. It's fucking, like when I get that text, it's like, oh yeah, you know what I mean? It's like the same feeling of going to the gym and getting a good pump, man. Took this video with my shirt off because I wanted to show y'all where I'm at right now. You know, still cutting and getting more muscular. But hit me up if you want some workouts, man. I'm telling you, I'm fucking getting it. I don't want you not to be getting it right now. This is after fucking 10 days, maybe 14 days of hitting it pretty hard and religiously, but things haven't been perfect, you know what I mean? But I still look like this, you know what I mean? So fucking hit me up. But yeah, that's the eBay hustle. And then also you can sell used shit too. I don't know if you guys are tuning into this video. I really don't know what you know about eBay. But don't be afraid of it. Fucking get in on it. It's pretty fucking cool. I'm sure there's other apps that are coming out that are just like eBay. I know there are. I don't know if they're as big as eBay though. You know what I mean? I know millions and millions of people know eBay. Older people, a lot of older people like myself, or even older than me, they only know eBay. They're not gonna trust like a new app because they're thinking like, what the fuck is this new app? That's why eBay is beneficial that you post on there too, because you get that older crowd too. For example, like baseball cards, you can sell anything on eBay, but for certain things are harder on eBay than on other apps, and certain things on other apps are harder over there than they are on eBay. Like selling t-shirts or something like that. I heard Etsy's good, I heard other apps are good. If you know any other apps that I should check out to resell on, hit me up down below, because I have the outlets right down the street from my house. So I'm trying to make a little bit of money this winter and just get through it, man. And you know, make that money a little bit more money. That's all. That's the name of the game, man. You got to keep saving. But that money that you're saving, why not go buy something, put it on eBay, and then you still have a 30-day period where you can go return that item. If it doesn't sell within 30 days or within 2 weeks or a week like you're expecting it to, and you do need that money, then you can just return it right back, man. That's the beauty of it. You know what I mean? Like, you can pull your money out of this fucking anytime you want, as long as you don't as long as you don't mess up the receipts, as long as, you know what I mean, and you're on your A game. But yeah, man, that's the beautiful thing about this strategy, that you can do that shit, which is pretty fucking cool. And then also, if you haven't already, check out Cash App. Check out how on Cash App you can invest in stocks. I've already made like $50 on Tesla, and I've only put in $115 a couple weeks ago. Like I said, that's saving money that it would just be in my bank, just not making any money. So why not put that $100 in Tesla? You know what I mean? It's like no brainer. You know what I'm saying? Like shit like that. Certain stocks that you know are gonna go up. Bitcoin, for example, I had a whole bunch of money in that, but I took it out because I had like too much of my savings in Bitcoin, so I didn't want to risk it. When really, if I kept that in there a couple days ago, I could have made $400, but I pulled it out. I pulled it out 2 days early. Because it went down, then I'm like, it went down and it started going even with where I invested at. Then I pulled it out at that time because I was afraid. That's why investors, it's better if you don't give a fuck about that money you invested, even if it is your life savings and it's something like Bitcoin when it dips and goes like this. You gotta keep it in there, man, because one day you're gonna be waking up with a lot of fucking money in your bank account and you're gonna be fucking happy as fuck. That's why it's best to invest money that you can afford to lose. That money I couldn't afford to lose. That was my bill money. So I really should have dipped into my savings, and then I wouldn't have cared about it necessarily so much. Not saying I don't care about my savings, but I do. But that's really like my savings where like I try not to touch that at all, except like fucking if the world was coming to an end and fucking my house burned down and shit, then I had to like get out of here, you know what I mean? Then I'd fucking buy a flight to Egypt or some shit. But yeah, that's where I'm at with that. Hopefully you guys are having a beautiful 2021. I know I am, fucking after here getting it. And yeah, hit me up if you haven't already. If you want to work out, fucking let me know. Getting fucking shredded. Yeah, but hit me up. Love you guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.